Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this video I'm going to show you this car edit tutorial in CapCut. So if you want your car edits to look like they were made by pros, this CapCut tutorial will show you how to add aura glows, transition and hard shake effect. So first, what you need to do is just add your clips into CapCut like this. And for the second clip, you need to duplicate it and add it as overlay. Then remove the background of the overlay, so it will only have the car object like this. Now click on the first clip or the previous clips and go to animations, and on the out category find the flame horizon animations, this one, and adjust the durations in here. I'm going to go with this. Let's reduce it. Click on a check icon so it will become like this. Now you can click on the overlay and make it a little bit bigger so it starts at the end of the first clip. Now you can just add a keyframe at the start and make the car smaller, just like this. And at the start of the second clip, add another keyframe and make the car looks bigger like the original size, like this. So it will go like that, and you can add grabs in here to make the movement smoother. So I'm going to add the ease out. Click on a check icon and now copy the overlay in here, duplicate it, drag it to the bottom, so align it with the first overlay, and now you can just add effects in here. So click on effects, video effects, and find aura effect in here. Okay, choose this one, click on a check icon. Now click on it and click on object and make sure it applies to the second overlay. Okay, now add another effect in here. So I'm going to go to a video effects again and add the ripple effect, this one. And here you can adjust it to how you like it, but here I'm going to go just by the default settings. Click on the check icon and again click on it and click on object and make sure it applies to the overlay, so it will become like this. And next you can add the shake effects in here. So find shake, add it, click on the check icon and now click on it, click on objects and it applies to all videos. And now add a keyframe at the start in here and then lower the speed and intensity, then move forward in here to the first of the second video and add another keyframe and adjust the speed like this. Okay, preview the result first and this will be the result. So you can just repeat the steps to the whole clips if you have more. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on a thanks. Bye.